Next we have Istitle method. This method returns true if all the words in the string are title cased, means if the string is in the form of title, otherwise returns false. It takes no argument. Let us see this method on this string, that is on string 16. So look at here, this string looks like an title, okay, because all the substring initial characters are in capital letter. Okay, let us use Istitle method on this string. So we got true. What if we use small p instead of capital P? Let us check with this small p. We got false because it is not in the form of title, because title should consist of capital letters for each word. Okay, starting word, the starting character of each word in a complete string must be an capital letter, otherwise it won't become an titled case word. Okay, so here it is not in the form of titled cased word, hence we got an error, sorry, false. Let us change this back to an capital P and run this to get true. This function ignores all the digits and special characters. For example, we can introduce special characters or digits in title form or title case. For example, here Python 3.10. Let us run this by saving. So we got true because it allows digits and other special characters in title. So usually we use special characters and digits while creating a title. This is how the Istitle method works on strings. Next we have the join method. It is an inbuilt string function in Python, and it is used to join the elements of the sequence separated by a string separator. And this function joins elements of a sequence and makes it a string. It takes one parameter, that is an iterable object. So we know that sequence means an iterable object. The sequence or the iterable object consists of the elements or items which are returned one at a time. So this join method uses the elements of this iterable object or the sequence to join with a string separator. If the iterable object or the sequence contains non-string values or non-string elements, then it gives an error. Let us see how it works. So here I have a simple list. For example, here P R U T H V and then finally I. Let us use this join method on this string. So this join method joins these elements of this list iterable object with the string separator. Okay, so here we cannot use the same string, we need to use the string separator. For example, here I would like to join all these elements of the iterable object list. For example, here string 17 is nothing but a list consisting of all these characters P R U T H V I. Okay, I would like to join all these characters with the string separator as at. Let us see how it joins. So sorry, let us use control and enter. Yeah, look at here, all these characters P R is joined with the string separator as at U T. In between all these characters from P to I we have at. We know that string is also an iterable object. Instead of this list, if I use string, for example, Prithvi, then if I use the string separator as star, then all the characters of this string Prithvi will be joined with the string separator as star. So here we got the result where all the characters of this string have been separated, joined with the separator star. Or in other words, we can say that all the characters of the string are separated with the character star. Dash in between the numbers, then we can use this type of join method. Dash dot join and then the iterable object, that is string. So look at here, all the elements of this string, a sequence or an iterable object, have been joined with the dash symbol. This is how the join method works. So here iterable object may be a list or tuple, means all the items placed within the parenthesis, means inside the parenthesis, or it may be an set, or it may be an dictionary, or it may be an string. String, list, tuple, set, dictionary, all these are sequences, sequence type data objects, or all these are also known as an iterable objects.